Got another twisty road. Ooh, is that an 812? Yo, wait. Today we're going to film a POV drive in my Elantra N. I have no route in store for us today. Wherever we go, wherever this takes us is where we're going to wind up going. So come along with the drive and we'll see what we're going to do. Stuff on our tires. Also, I want you guys to drop a comment below. Do you like the POV drives? And also, let me know if you can hear more of the turbo spooling, because we did add the turbo inlet in the last build video, I think it is. So, where's the less traffic? Guy trying to go the wrong way on a one-way street. You can definitely hear that turbo noise a lot more now. Oh, by the way, guys, did you see our last video with my buddy James's Supra? Let me know if you've seen it. If you didn't, go check it out now. Let me know what you think on it. Thought it came out pretty cool. Get a little red for you guys. Shifts are crispy. Oh my god, these New York roads are terrible. Speaking about terrible New York roads, costed me a bubble in my tire. Well, actually that might have been a New Jersey road, but I got a screw in my tire. Guys, it's just my luck on this channel. Another screw in the tire we just replaced. I can't make this. Oh, we still have a screw in my tire. I bought another tire, but I had to order it, so. Oh, here's the cops. Give a little downshift.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, he's turning the other way. We're good. Ooh, I made it. Oh. I'm gonna bless your ears real quick, guys. Watch. Really? What? I can tell the car is not probably octane. Actually, it's like semi-octane learned because I got like 16, 17 pounds of boost the other, I think last night. But for some reason, you can tell like when it's a little less umped when you hit the pedal, and then on top of that, it's like, you know, you just feel slower. Not slow, but slower. Let's see, recording. Like I said, I'm probably gonna chop this up to our best moments, the coolest parts. Leave it raw for you guys. Not gonna be a highly edited video. Oh guys, I want to know, do you like my like recently like founded editing style? Thought it was pretty cool. You know what, I know we went this way the last time a little bit, but actually, you know, we'll go the other way. Nice, just pull out right in front of me and literally go 10 under the limit. Don't you just love New York City drivers? Don't you just love drivers in general? I feel like people don't know how to drive nowadays. Not saying I'm the best driver, but at the same time, I'm not gonna pull out in front of someone and go 10 miles an hour under the speed limit. This thing is just too much fun. This thing is like, it's like a go-kart. Like, I'm not even going that fast. Like this guy, this Mazda's flying, but literally, even in the, let's throw it into, I don't know, eco mode. Look at the way it just turns. It's just like, it's like no body roll, nothing. Just wants to go around turns. Like, alright, we're gonna go up and through, because I don't want to go the same route that we've been before, so we're gonna go up in here. It's very, you'll see, it's pretty cool. Like I said, we have no destination en route, so. Hear that rattle. Alright, can we get on your side of the road? Thank you. The only thing about this neighborhood is, as you can tell, all blind turns and stuff, so you gotta keep it cool, calm, and collected. There's actually someone in here as a 911 turbo. There. let me pause a second and fix this noise because I don't want you to hear this noise. Like, what is that noise? Another twisty road. Ooh, is that an 812? Yo, wait, no, 812. Dang it. Oh my God. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive today. A little something to change it up. I'll probably post it tomorrow. But let me know what you thought of the last video. Let me know what you've been thinking of all the, the changes in my content. But other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go.